today our topic is anecdote. Okay, it is also a literary device. What is anecdote? Let us try to understand in brief for the examination. Anecdote is a short, interesting story. Okay, what it is? Anecdote, first of all, it is a short and it is an interesting story. About what? About a real. Okay, don't forget this word. Not fictitious, not imaginary, but it is a short story about a real person or real event. Means a real person or real event is mentioned or is narrating in this kind of anecdote, and that real person may be a particular person, that event may be a particular incident, because he is going to narrate an incident or an event. So it is very particular or it is also very real. So what is anecdote? It is a story within a story. Okay, because it is short, so it can be called just like an episode, just like a brief description of a particular real person or of a particular real event. So it is a story within a story. It is a brief revealing, that is, it is expressing, it is presenting, it reveals something or someone. That is, it is a revealing record of an individual person or an incident, or it is a story with a point. Okay, there is a point in the story or in the event. In brief, it often supports some point, because this is narrated with a point. So it often seems to support this or that point narrated in the story. So anecdote is a short account of an interesting or amusing real incident. Though it is a brief story, yet it is used to make a larger point. Though it is a short story, in spite of that, it is always used to make a larger point. It can connect our ideas to real life or to real person or to real incident. So now this was in brief what is anecdote. Now all the questions which may be asked or are based on these points. What is anecdote? Most of the questions are always asked very short questions, not long questions, not short questions, but very short question. So the very first important question that is always asked, what is anecdote? And the answer, that depends on you, what kind of answer you will have. Here I have mentioned three possible answers to this question, what is anecdote? And the answer will be originally unpublished. Unpublished because that has never been mentioned, that had never been narrated, that had never been unpublished. So the writer uses this device to present any unpublished facts of history. So it is very important. Anecdote is unpublished facts of history, of historical event or of a historical, that is, person. Now it is a short account or it is a brief narrative, and it is concerned with a particular event or particular incident, or it may be concerned with a particular person. It depends less on artistic arrangement, because the writer focus is not on the artistic arrangement but on the entertainment. He wants to make his anecdote, he wants to make his story or his episode very entertaining. So it depends less on artistic arrangement than on entertaining episode. Another answer maybe to this question in brief, Anecdote is a short, amusing account of something that has happened, okay, that has already taken place. So that is anecdote. Another answer may be, depends on you, what answer you choose for your examination. Anecdote is usually short narrative of an interesting, entertaining, amusing, or we can say a biographical incident, right? Anecdote is just like a biographical incident. Another question most important for the examination is, which you all should try to keep in your mind, that is always asked, why? Why is anecdote used in literature, or why is anecdote used in prose, or why is anecdote used by the writer, or by the writers, or by a writer in literary work, okay? And the answer to this question may be written just like this, that why it is used in literature. Anecdote is a short story. It makes the listeners or the readers laugh because it is very amusing, it is very entertaining. The main purpose of a writer is to please his audience, to please his readers with this literary device. So it makes its listeners, it makes its readers laugh or ponder over a topic. They start to consider over that particular topic that has been presented by the writer. It relieves the tension. We can say that there is no tension in the mind of the reader or listener, and for some time he forgets everything and he focuses only on what is being told by the writer. It relieves all the tension, and the writer tries to relieve the tension by telling anecdotes of some real person or of some real incidents which had already taken place or which had already happened. So that was anecdote in short, and these two questions very important for the examination. What is anecdote? Why is anecdote used in literature? And in brief, anecdote is a short interesting story about a real person or real event.